Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I will show you how to find your password on Instagram or how to reset it. I will show you even if you are logged in with your Facebook or if you are not. I have two accounts, so I will show you on both of them. So first we have to go on our Instagram app. Here I am on my profile. Then click in the right corner from the top of the page on those three lines. So here I am logged in with my Facebook. Click on settings, then click on security, and then click on the first option, password. So in the middle of the page, as you can see, if you forgot your password, you can reset it with Facebook. So click on reset it with Facebook. And make sure that you are logged on your Facebook. So here there is another language. You just have to click on this blue thing. And then this will be open. And here you can add your new password. So this way you will find your new password and you will reset it. So that's it guys for this one. So let's go back and show you how to do it if you are not logged in with your Facebook. So I will go to my other account. This is our main account. And here we post everything that it's on YouTube and some pictures. So yeah, let's do the same thing. Let's click on these three lines right here in the top of the page in the right corner. Go to settings, then go to security, then go to password. So here you just have to click on forgot password and you will receive an email on your email. So make sure that you are logged in into that. If you are not, then you will not be able to reset your password because it's a privacy and a security option, so no one will find out your password. So you just have to click on forgot password, and then after that they will send an email on your email address. And then if you click right there on your email, you will have to set your new password right there. So it's really easy, I promise you. So thank you so much for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, you can smash that like button and you can also comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and have a great day. Bye bye.